is a video on a way to introduce Topsflo TD5 Home brewing pump from a non-professional perspective. In fact, it's because they do not understand Topsflo company and TD5 pump. So what's the fact? This video will tell you how to choose a home brewing pump and why more and more home brewers use TD5 pump instead of Chugger AC pump. This is TD5 home brewing DC pump. This is Chugger pump. Compare with Chugger, what is the advantage of Topsflo TD5 pump? First, Topsflo TD5 is a brushless DC centrifugal water pump. A Chugger pump is AC pump. There is big difference essentially. Now we can compare the dimension and weight on both pumps. The length of Topsflo pump is 91 mm. The AC pump is almost 195 mm. The weight of Topsflo pump is 0.84 kilograms, while the AC pump is 2.68 kilograms. Why Topsflo use stainless steel 304 when not 316? From the professional perspective, stainless steel 316 is too hard, not suitable for casting. Usually people judge if 304 material is suitable for home brewing application or not. First, they will consider if the material is FDA certified. Then, they will think if the material is safe or not for long-time using, where it have rust problem, etc. Topsflo TD5 304 stainless steel material is FDA certified. Topsflo TD5's stainless steel pump head and bearing have passed the professional 72 hours salt spray test. It is not rusty. Since TD5 can pass 72 hours salt spray test and food grade certified, this is a safe standard. In our competitor's video, they scratch our magnetic surface with a knife. It is completely wrong. How to judge if the magnet is safe or not? We should verify from a professional perspective. Why not scratching with a knife? How can use a knife be a good method to verify a product? If we scratch the impeller of a Chugger pump, some powder coming off, then that means it is not safe. So knife shouldn't be a tool to test a product is qualified or not. Then, what is a right and professional verification? As we know, in a beer brewing system, it requires pump to endure system pressure about 4 kilograms. Topsflo's TD5 has been through a strict extreme testing to prove it can endure 25 kilograms and will not crack. If a pump remains intact after being and pressure of 25 kilograms. So we should judge a product by scientific way, but not using a knife to scratch it. And also, Topsflo's TD5 has been tested at low and high temperatures from -48 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. It proves its reliability and will not have any problem. Actually, the rotor of Chugger pump is coated with sintered ferrite. This rotor long-term use at high temperature, easy rust and broken. Once leak, it will cause pollution. It will have harmful effects on human health. However, Topsflo's TD5 use one-time plastic injection process to manufacture the pump rotor. This kind of manufacturing process has solved the leakage problem. Furthermore, our magnet material is imported from Japan, approved by FDA. It is very safe. Topsflo TD5 Oran use imported EPDM with WRAS and SF certificate. EPDM itself is a high-end material, good high temperature and corrosion resistance. FDA approved. Brushless DC filter pump use a DC brushless motor, which use the most advanced magnetic-driven technology, characterized by non-knife, no power consumption, safety, intelligent pump control features. The pump can customize FG, PWM speed control functions. So DC brushless motor is a trend in the future.